Panic at the Disco, XRP is currently taking a pullback. Is the bull run over? Gun to my head, no it's not. My fellow XRPians, trends move like this. They're never going to move up in one straight line. Now yes, it just so happens that we've all gotten spoiled with this most recent move that literally looks like one vertical line up. However, rest assured, we are going to be getting pullback opportunities every now and then. How, in my opinion, those pullbacks are going to be buy the dip opportunities. So today I'll be telling you exactly why XRP is still bullish and how far low do I think XRP can actually go. Where is that next pullback opportunity going to come in at? Before I do that, I want to let you know Sean is currently live. He's covering all coins, currently giving people a trade setup on Cardano. So guys, make sure you're catching the live streams. There's a lot of alpha there, especially if you're new to the entire world of trading and trading cryptocurrency specifically. Get into the live streams. It is an impromptu treasure trove of all the experience that we've garnered over the years. You don't have to be making the same mistakes that we did when we first started. Now, technically, if you've been following the XRP trade with us, you are still currently up on the trade, even yes, after this pullback. Here's a quick recap on the previous trade. Now this is the current bull flag that we're seeing. We're breaking out as we speak. Now what really confirms the break is the volume. Are we seeing volume on this break? Okay, and yes, we're seeing a volume push right here. Okay, you want to see something that sort of dwarfs everything else that came before. But more importantly, we're looking for price to clear out $1.21. As soon as I start seeing more strength over $1.21, more 12-hour candle closes over $1.21, I'm saying XRP is ready. We are flying even further. The measured move to which will take XRP all the way up to $1.40. All right, let's pause. Now, if you managed to catch that trade when I presented it, it was midnight, Jesus Christ, but you can see that prices did rally a good 35% to the upside. I even gave you guys an interim target that only came in at around $1.40, $1.42. So prices did not only get up to our target, but it also shot over, going all the way up to $1.63. Now, if you managed to catch that bid, even after the pullback, guys, you are up still a good 10%. Now, for those of you looking to ride the entire macro trend on XRP, you want to ride this for the bull market. I want you guys to consider how stress-free you are even though prices has pulled back, because you managed to catch an excellent bid opportunity. And this is why I'm always going to stress, guys, try and capture really good bids. You now have enough mental and emotional equity to think clearly and try to figure out now, hey, should I be adding to my XRP position or can I let it ride? Which is then going to help you execute on your trades better. Okay, always try and help yourself be a better trader. One such thing you can do is capture good bids. Now, as far as XRP is concerned, I showed you one amazing signature on XRP's chart that was guiding the entire trend. Now, that was hinged primarily on the 4-hour dynamic indicator. Something that I brought up in the last video. I said, hey, ever since XRP's trend started right here at around 52 cents, we have been trending on dynamic support. We flipped dynamic resistance into support, and notice how every pullback into dynamic support was picked up by the bulls. That happened to be an excellent bid opportunity every single time we got down there, because consider how easy it is for you to manage that trade. All right, in case prices break, you know you're wrong really fast, get out of the trade and then reposition lower. Now, I want you to notice what's happened. We finally had one violation right here, giving us a sign in that, okay, you know what, something different might be happening on this chart. Now, besides the dynamic breaking, is there anything else alluding to a deeper pullback? And yes, for that, get into the Mango dashboard. You'll find this on app.mangoresearch.co. Let's filter out XRP from this list. Longs across the board, telling us that, okay, the bulls are still very much in control. You still have those uptrends on all of these time frames, and I think we can agree on all of that. Now, the one thing that's alluding to a pullback is literally right in our faces. The 4-hour flipped short just now. Now, volatility from the 12-hour to the 2-day time frame, 95, 99, 92, super high up there. The bulls could very well still be exhausted, and it's only when the bulls are exhausted can you then look for those pullback opportunities. So use the dashboard to not only help you assess the coins worth trading right now, but also where can you find those pullback opportunities. Now, yes, while I am looking for a minor pullback, let's not miss the forest for one tree. We are still in a bull market. XRP is officially broken up out of this beautiful symmetrical triangle. First target coming in at $1.97, the previous bull run high, and then after that $3.33, the bull run high prior to that in 2017. Can we shoot higher than $3.33? Absolutely, because the measured move of the symmetrical triangle formation, okay, on the breakout could very well take XRP all the way up to $23 per token. I know, it's a big number, it's a big number. Now, we have already explored the case of XRP getting up to $23 and if that is even possible at all. It is. Okay, so once again, I will be shedding more light on why $23 is possible. In fact, it's happened once before in the past. Yes, like a $23 target equivalent. I was supposed to do that this video, but because, well, volatility has picked up, we're getting the pullback opportunity, I figured I should speak to those of you who are sort of panicking on current price action. Now guys, if you intend on taking the trade on XRP, don't forget about BitUnix's very generous campaign. They're giving you $150 for a $200 deposit. There's no KYC, there's no country restriction. There's only around 1 week left on this campaign, so take advantage of it for as long as it lasts. I'll be linking the campaign in the description below. So now that we've lost the 4-hour dynamic, I'm expecting prices to come down a tad lower, but where to from here? Now I default on over to my higher timeframes, into higher timeframe support. So we are currently actually sitting on higher time frame support right here on 12-hour dynamic support. Now, once again, 12-hour dynamic support has been super clutch even in previous uptrends that XRP has had. For instance, this one right here, every test of dynamic support was picked up by the buyers. It's only when we lost it here in earnest that you know, okay, something different is happening, get the hell out of the position because chances are prices is coming lower. This was the 2017 bull market. So we had 2 major markup phases in that bull market, but you can see how once again 12-hour dynamic held as support. It's only when we lost it here in earnest. Okay, multiple candle closes under, we knew that okay, prices are dipping down even further. Currently, the 12-hour dynamic comes in from around $1.28, going all the way down to $1.19. Catching a bid on $1.19 is going to be freaking amazing, because that would be the second time you get another opportunity at that breakout point right here. Essentially the same trade setup that I gave you guys in the last video. It rallied 30% right off of that region. And not just that, guys, this would technically be the first proper test of the dynamic support ever since we started the trend right here. Additionally, if you get on over to the daily time frame, you'll also find that the daily dynamic is also swinging in at $1.19. It doesn't get better than this. Scoring a bid on there is just going to be super duper easy to manage. Is there anything pointing to prices wanting to get down to that region? Yeah, actually. It appears that we've triggered an M-like formation on the 12-hour time frame. If I go ahead and take the measured move of the M-like formation, you can see that it takes us in that ballpark of $1.19. Okay, so once again, I'm looking at this, guys, mind you, as a lower time frame pullback into higher time frame support. I am still very much bullish on XRP's macro trend. I will still be riding this to those previous bull run highs at around $2 and then subsequently to around $3 per token. Can it go higher? Of course it can. Getting up to $3 takes it up to all-time highs. Blue sky breakout, it can go higher. And if this trend has to continue right now, right here, here's what we're looking for, guys. You want to see prices break out, clear 4-hour dynamic resistance, and also close over this $1.47 region. That would essentially be breaking out of the downtrend that XRP is currently in. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. If you have any other altcoin requests, make sure to mention in the comment section below. And I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.